Hi there, this is Khushi and in today's video you're going to learn how to do these simple push-ups as a beginner. आज के इस वीडियो में हम कुछ ऐसी टेक्निक्स एंड मेथड्स को कवर करेंगे जिससे आप बेसिक पुशअप्स आसानी से सीख सकते हैं. So now let's start this video. Okay viewers, so first of all we are going to talk about how you have to perform the basic push-ups. The mode of instruction will be in English as well as Hindi, so please turn on the captions for your own convenience. सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे कि कैसे आप कुछ आसान तरीकों से सिंपल पुशअप्स सीख सकते हैं या इन्हें परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. So first of all, get on your mat and get into the push-up position. Alright. Before actually going into the push-up, you have to keep in mind few basic things. You have to keep your arms straight, just above your shoulders. You have to keep your core nice and tight. You have to keep your legs straight, and while going down into the push-up and then coming up, you have to regulate your breath, keep your core tight, and use your hips, use your shoulders, and use your chest to go down and come up. Push-ups करना आसान है, बस आपको कुछ स्टेप्स अपने दिमाग में रखने हैं. पुशअप्स करते वक्त आपको अपने हैंड्स को टाइट रखना है एंड अपने शोल्डर्स को अपने हाथों के साथ मूव करना है. साथ ही में अपने कोर को, अपने पेट को टाइट करके रखें, अपने लेग्स को स्ट्रेट रखें ताकि जब आप पुशअप्स करते वक्त ऊपर को आए तो आपको आने में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. Now we are going to perform the basic push-ups. Alright, I'm in the basic position. First thing, inhale. सबसे पहले आप एकदम उसकी सांस लें, सांस को रोकें और अपने कोर को टाइट रखें. जब आप सांस लेंगे तो आप सीधे नीचे को जाएंगे. While you inhale, you will go down on the floor like this and then come up. Okay. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So now let's talk about few alternative exercises or methods which will help you to master or learn the basic push-ups. The first exercise that I would recommend you to perform daily is the shoulder taps. It is quite simple. You have to just get into this position, keeping your core straight. You have to keep your hands straight, your legs are straight, core nice and tight, and then you have to just tap on your shoulders one by one. Take it as 1, 2, 3. So viewers, बात हो रही है उन alternative exercises की, उन तरीकों की जिससे आप आसानी से पुशअप सीख सकते हैं. तो उसमें पहली recommendation है shoulder taps. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको straight position में आ जाना है. Get on your mat and then आपको अपने shoulders को, अपने कंधों को इस तरह tap करना है. Now viewers, let's talk about the second alternative exercise or method to master the basic push-ups. अगर हम second तरीके की बात करें तो इसमें होंगे आपके simple knee push-ups. In the second kind of push-ups, you have to get on your knees. आपको अपने knees से इस position पे आना है. अपने hands को सामने straight रखें. एक straight position में आ जाएं कुछ इस तरह से. And then you have to inhale, go down. Then exhale, come up. Okay, this is quite easy. You can just lock your legs or keep them on the ground. Now let's talk about the third alternative method which will definitely help you in your push-up progression. It is going to be the elevated push-up. अगर हम तीसरे तरीके की बात करें तो इसमें आप elevated push-ups परफॉर्म करेंगे। आपको किसी elevated surface जैसे किसी bench, table या अपने bed के कॉर्नर पे जाना है and then आपको push-ups परफॉर्म करने हैं। All of you must have done this exercise before, so I'm definitely sure you can easily perform this exercise. Dear viewers, this was a short and quick info on push-ups and the alternative methods which will help you to learn push-ups easily. Make sure that you follow the given exercises at least 20 to 30 times a day. Stay consistent with your practice. इस वीडियो में दी गई एक्सरसाइज को 20 से 30 बार एक दिन में जरूर फॉलो करें और इससे आपको डेफिनेटली आपके पुशअप्स में हेल्प मिलेगी. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I would really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and share this video with someone who wants to learn push-ups. Please make sure to subscribe if you are new to this channel. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज इसे लाइक करें, अपने फेवरेट पुशअप्स के बारे में कमेंट करें एंड इस वीडियो को जरूर शेयर करें. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें and see you in the next video. Till then, keep training, keep working hard and